Hello, friends. I never forget this experience I have spent time with my dear friends 4 years ago in a hospice, visiting her every day. And during one of those visits, that she shared with me a heartbreaking truth. She hadn't said she never felt true love by anyone. I sat with her, I couldn't help, and think of myself. What can I do to make a difference in her life? Then I brought these two dogs with me, introduced them to her, and the dog was happy to see her, and she started walking in the park with them and having a great time of her life. And she told me that with the experience lesson she has was, these two dogs teach me how to love. How powerful it is to make a difference if these two animals, with a gentle gesture, compassion, saying nothing, only barks, or their action they have, show the true love to her. As I reflected the moment, this is a very profound wisdom I have, that how much animal can teach us to love. They don't discriminate you. They don't judge you. They unconditionally love us. This simple love lesson can be for all of us without judging anybody. The same ways we can just start spreading love and kindness, compassion, those around us. Make a difference with words and kindness. Sometimes just picking up a trash or just open the door or do something different. And we make a person, different world for this internal life for this person.